We're now at Space View Park. The other half of it, as we come up, we've got multiple plaques of people who went on the space shuttle. If you notice any names, then comment down below. Got multiple different names. And it talks about each space shuttle enterprise, what kind of flights it took, and all that stuff, where it was produced, what it did. This one's Enterprise, and we move on to Columbia and what it did. It did the Mir space station, the Hubble, helped build the International and all that stuff. Then along here, Challenger, it did a few missions, but then sadly blew up in a tragic explosion. And then there's Discovery, which did 39 missions and traveled 149 million miles. Then we move on to Atlantis, which flew 33 times and was the final space shuttle mission. So that's pretty cool. And then we've got more space shuttle. Inaugural, talking about people who flew. All more people. All right here is different names of people who flew. And then over here is a little memorial for the people in the line of duty. For people who lost their lives. All different people. All different honors of ULA and all that stuff. As we move along, we've got multiple handprints. Talking about the first international mission, all different stuff. More handprints. I don't recognize the name right off the top of my head. Looks like Al Worden, which was on Apollo 15. That is a really cool thing. Some pretty big hands. All the different missions that led up to this, it's pretty cool. And all different stuff used. If we move over here, we've got John Young on Apollo 10 and 16. So that's quite cool. We got some astronauts from Skylab 2. Pretty small hands. Just all different really cool stuff. Donald Slayton. There's Alan Shepard. That's pretty cool. Thomas Stafford. And then here's Neil Armstrong. This is probably all the Apollo. Yeah, Buzz Aldrin. Then Bill Anders, which is Apollo 8. So not quite all Apollo 11. And then it tells a story. Here is the speech of Kennedy. And as we move along here, it just tells the story of Apollo. It's quite cool. They talk about like one of the first EVAs they did with this picture of Saturn V in all its glory on the mobile launch pad. And then also talks about in the command console them getting to get ready to go to space and just a launch of the Saturn V. Then there's the recovery boat that is sent out. They pick them up, etc. And then the crowd goes excited, everybody's happy. It's pretty cool, America's happy. And then this is explaining how the Eagle has landed. Tranquility Base Eagle's landed. That's the name for the lunar rover. Also, not the lunar rover, lunar module. And all these are different from the Apollo, all different types of names. It's a pretty cool place overall. This was an awesome place. I enjoyed being here. Hope you guys liked it, and we'll see you guys in a little bit.